Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope all of you are always healthy. Welcome to English lesson with teacher Novi. Please let us pray together before we start our lesson. Lord, thank you for this chance. Bless us and our teacher so they can teach us very well. Amen. Now we are going to learn about beginning sounds and these are some examples. The beginning sounds. 3, 3. Thick, tebal. Thin, tipis. Thorn, duri. Thumb, ibu jari. And these are some examples. The beginning sounds. Wheel, roda. Whale, ikan paus. Whip, cambuk. Whistle, fluid. Wheelbarrow, kereta sorong. White, warna putih. After you listen some examples about lesson today, please practice in your workbook, page 24. Okay, I think enough for today. I hope you can understand about this lesson. And don't forget to keep spirit and stay at home. Thank you. See you next time.